Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, August 25th, 2010. Well, a continuation of the downtrend today, and we have a candle making a lower high and a lower low. Change of character for the market though. We have the market closing up on the previous close, and that tells us that we've had a change in the keenness of from the sellers to the buyers. We've also got a green body candle, and for the first time in 5 days we have the buyers showing some net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, so a potential change of sentiment in this market. We've also had the market close between the midpoint level of the range and the high, and that tells us that the buyers have closed this market in control. Not very strong control, but strong enough, and they've shown some form of commitment to taking this market higher on the day. Just looking at the shadow on the bottom of the candle, that represents buying coming in as the market traded down to the support level at 1041, and we highlighted this as a previous level of support, and that when the market traded down in this region before, there was solid buying that came in, so that's potential for a change of trend to the upside here. This long shadow on the candle actually means, on the bottom of the candle, actually means that the sellers lost commitment, and they lost commitment in a big way today with this candle. So there is a very strong chance that there will be a change of trend to the upside. Now, if there is, though, we will find some fairly decent resistance overhead. We actually have this window that was opened, which is from roughly about 1063 up to 1068. And in candlestick terms, windows are basically gaps, and they will usually provide support or resistance to a market. And if the market does rally, we do need to watch how the market reacts to that area. So there is a possibility that the market could come off. Above there, we have the cloud, which is around 1075 roughly, and extends all the way up through to 1092. So there is potential resistance up through there. We also have the Tenkan-sen, which is around 1069, 1070. That will offer resistance, and within the cloud, the Kijun-sen at 1084. Also, the 1080 level is an area where the market has stalled previously as a form of support and resistance. So, very strong resistance overhead. To the downside, obviously, the 1041 level again, and we have this large zone of support extending all the way down through 1029, 1018, and down to the swing low that traded through there, which is around 1011, 1010. The market remains with an overall negative bias because we are still trading down below the cloud, and the market is still trading down below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so the market is bearish in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes. Both of those indicators are also pointing down, and that's reflecting the downside momentum that we've seen in this market over the last week and a half or so. So obviously for the next trading day, 1041 is a crucial level, but also the high of the current candle, which is roughly around 1060, will be important for any potential change of trend and any assault on the window that's open and the cloud above.